Experiment Log 440. The expedition to parts unknown. Those parts being northern Finland, Lapland. At least I think that's where it was, circa 1600 something. I wasn't paying attention to the monitor, honestly. Has led me to the discovery of a spectacular device. I cross-referenced the description with many other sources. I have come to the conclusion that what I have before me is the legendary Sampo from Finnish legend. The device is a box-like shape, carved not unlike a small treasure box, adorned with small impressions. Outside is gold. Inside, also gold. The texture, there's a foil-like lining inside. Outside, though, definitely forged and shaped by hammer. Definitely brings the Ark of the Covenant to mind, now that I look at it closer. And as you can hear by my EMP detector, ample amounts of EM waves, a surefire way to tell that we have something special, ladies and gentlemen. What you call an oopart, or in other words, something that you're not supposed to know about.
Hey, Erica. Nice jewel box.
Here comes the riffraff.
Ooh, you feel that? It feels tingly in here, and my hair is getting all frizzy.
Hang on. I unhooked the device. How are you getting a response out of it? And why am I coughing so much? What is happening?
The left side of my head is crackly. Hey, ouch!
Hold still.
Hey!
Amazing. Somehow your giant stupid head is absorbing or reacting to some kind of static the Sampo is emitting. Perhaps it still holds some kind of electrostatic charge. My initial thoughts were correct. It appears to have been some kind of battery or capacitor of some sort. You know, this is the same the very same kinds of devices that I'm more familiar with. The Valkyrie's a large dynamo like this, but what could it possibly be used for?
Sorry, what was that? Sorry, my ears are popping.
Yeah, just swallow and you'll be fine. Hold on. See that?
See what?
The bulb?
What about it?
When I connect it to the Sampo,
What?
it turns on.
What does that mean?
That means it's emitting electricity out of nowhere.
Is it gonna blow up, or? You shouldn't be so grumpy all the time, you know?
Some help you are. Can you at least pass me the water bottle? Huh? Are you capable of that? Or is it gonna take a whole... You saw that, right?
Wait, do it again. I wasn't looking.
Don't you start all over again like a broken record. The water bottle just slid to us.
Well, you were banging on the table.
Yeah, well, this was after I stopped. Water bottles don't... You know, your house is possessed, I swear.
Oh, now I remember why I came in. Someone at school brought a Ouija board. Maybe we can experiment with that next.
I don't handle occult objects, thank you. At least not something as stupid as a wooden board claiming to conjure spirits. Anyway, that's all I gotta say about the Sampo. Miniature battery or fancy jewel box? You be the judge. This concludes Experiment Log 440. And now I need a safe lead-lined container to keep this in. Great. Where am I gonna find that? You got any closing statements, soldier?
My
Ancestor. Yep. Didn't think so.